Welcome to this lovely 3-level end-unit townhouse located in the Townes of Gloucester subdivision in Burtonsville, Maryland. Inside you will find a spacious open floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and 2 half baths. The main level has a walkout area to the rear patio and a family room or 3rd bedroom. On the 2nd level there is a comfortable living room with mirrored walls and access to the upper outdoor deck with scenic wooded views. A large formal dining room and a large eat-in full kitchen are also located on the 2nd level. Additionally, on the upper level you will find the master bedroom with a separate sitting room with a cozy fireplace and a 2nd bedroom. This community also offers a large pool, tennis courts and bike and jogging trail. 14,711 Wexhall Terrace is located just minutes from the Burtonsville Town Center with easy access to shopping and Route 29.